Hi, my name is Kate. Welcome back to my channel about photography business for creators around the world. And this is Lightroom Hacks. Today I'm going to show you how to add a watermark. It's simple and fun. Subscribe, like, and let's go. Okay, so let's go straight to the Lightroom. I have the photo here that I want to export and add a watermark on. Here it is. I'm gonna right click on the photo, select export, export, and the export window pops up. What's next? Here you can select the folder where you want your picture to be exported to. You even can add a subfolder. Let's check this box and say test. For the existing files, I always select ask what to do. Then I always give my photos numbers from 1 to whatever. And for this one, 1 is okay. Then if you need to change the size or format of your image, and I don't need that, and then we go straight to the watermark section. If this box isn't checked, then your picture will not have any watermark. But if you want to add, you want to check this box. I actually have two types of watermark. First is this one, and this is just the small watermark right here. And I have another one. And it looks like this. So it's big one, and I use this big watermark when I send galleries to my clients, because this big watermark, it lets them see what photo looks like, but it doesn't let them download the photo. And I'm gonna go ahead and add a new watermark just in order to show you guys how it is done. So I'm gonna click edit watermark, but what we're gonna do just to create a new one. So we have this text box right here, and what you want to do is to delete everything here and just type your brand or whatever you want to. I'm gonna just type test. Then let's go to the text options right here. So you probably want to choose your brand font. Then you can change the style, align. You also can add shadow if you want to, but I won't recommend that. It doesn't look good. Then opacity. By default, you'll see that opacity will be 100% here, and you probably want to decrease it like this so that it really looks like a watermark. All right, so let's say 25 is fine. Then we go to the size. So we have three options. We have proportional, and that means that depending on the size of your photo, the size of the watermark will change like this. You can choose fit, and then the system is going to try to fit the watermark, or you can choose fill, and in this case, it's going to fill the photo just like this. And let's say I want the proportional one and just a small one like this. Oh my gosh, we can't really see it. I'm gonna change the opacity just in order to see it, but again, you probably don't want 85 as your opacity, okay? Then you can use this to change where to insert your watermark. So the horizontal settings will be available if we change the anchor here, and we are about to, or if you change the settings, this will be available as well. When we go here in this anchor settings, you can choose where you want to pin your watermark. For example, right now it is pinned right here, but you probably want to pin it right there in the lower right corner or left corner. And now you can see that once you have selected this, you have this horizontal settings available, and you can change it like this, for example, and like this. And this is really useful because we're about to save the preset, the watermark preset, and you can apply it to all your pictures that you want to export. So for example, you are happy with this position, or you want to put it a little bit lower. I'm gonna go back to the opacity settings and change the opacity to 25, back to 25. And so that's it. If you are happy with the result, you can just go here and save current settings as a new preset. You can also have a graphic watermark. And in this case, it will ask you for a picture. So if you have your watermark as a PNG file, then you can probably use it instead of text. My logo is not designed to be a watermark for my photos, but if your logo is, it will work for you. So let's say I want it to be like this. If you have edited your preset and you want to update it, you can click here and choose Update Preset, or you can save it as a new preset. And then next time you click Export, you will have your watermark right here and you can select it just like this. And that's it. We click Export and we check the result. And that's it for today. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you very soon.